Guys, and welcome to my channel. So I'm showing you from scratch how to prepare this. I washed this rice and boiled it part like on fire for a few minutes, and then I'm blending it in my blender. I don't add any more water. I blend it completely to be very smooth, really smooth, and then I strain it out. So now I'm straining it. I'm going to strain it about 2 times to remove any like excess like particles in it. So if you add any more water, it will be depending on how thick you want it or how light you want it. I want my thick because I'm going to mix it into a conditioner, so I want them all to match like the same thick how it is looking now. I'm going to strain it the second time. So looking at it already, it looks like some kind of thick milk or conditioner. So this is rice. I've not added anything to it. It's only the rice that I boiled a little bit. So that's it. After straining it, I'm going to put it back in my jar. This is about 300 mils. The size of this right now is about 300 mils. So I'm going to mix in with natural preservative. This will keep it for very long. Over a month, it will not do anything. So I mix this a little bit of it, and then I mix in my conditioner, and that's it. This is my conditioner, my favorite conditioner that I use in my hair. I mix them all together, and then I put it back into a bottle. The quantity of the conditioner I added is about 100 ml. The previous was 300, the rice was 300, and then I added this, making about 400 ml. You can add any quantity you want. So that's how it looks right now. It looks like fully like a conditioner really. So that's how I prepare it. And then this is the container I use, the main one I use. I keep this aside, and then I have a little one, the little one that I use to apply directly onto my scalp or into my hair. So this is it. So this little container I'm using is from one of my hair dyes from the pound shop. It's very good. It goes directly under your scalp where you can apply it. I also use it for oils. I have different types of it, so it's very good. As I apply it, I massage my scalp. In addition, I ensure that it goes into every part of my hair. It soaks with it very nicely. Make sure the whole hair feels very soft. You'll feel it when you're applying it. Really, the hair feels really soft and very nice to manage. So after that, I'm going to like cover it, and sometimes I leave it on about an hour. When I'm doing something, I just forget about it and let it be until I'm ready to shower or wash it off. That's all I do. After this, I wash it off lightly. I don't wash it completely off, and then I put in my oils and I go. That's how I grow my hair. So this is me after washing my hair, and as you can see, my hair is quite long. This is 6-month growth, guys. 6 months. And I think it's doing well. It's doing so well. For 6 months, it's doing so well. So give this a go, guys. Also, I have some oils that I do put into my hair to keep in the moisture and to not make the hair dry. So I might make a video on that one too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a comment, and also a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.